Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch on loan from Saltzman's Watches. So this is the unboxing here. The shipping box was rather large, so took this out of the shipping box. Let's take a look at it. This is the Victorinox Journey. So from the makers of the original Swiss Army knife. I think Victorinox and then Wenger had the Swiss Army knives, but I think they're one company now. Anyway, speaking of that, I had a Wenger watch a long time ago, but anyway, Victorinox here today. Let's get it out of the box. Not sure what that's about. I guess it's something to take a look at here. Watch, accessories, wallet. So put that off to the side. Looks like there's a strap in here. It's kind of like a hybrid strap, perhaps. Maybe this comes with the watch. Nope, it looks like it's just, I thought it had fabric on it, but it's not. It's all rubber. Interesting how it's the, oh, this is maize and blue, like Michigan colors. Oh, so that's the inside. Interesting. I thought this was the inside. Huh. So that's the outside of the strap. It's got the quick release pin here. There you go. Get you a better look there. Interesting. Then there's a manual in there. So let's put this back in the box. This is on loan. Actually, speaking of that, this was on loan too, and I bought this from Saltzman's, my Hamilton Murph. I haven't been able to wear as much as I like, but I do like that watch. Yeah, this thing is interesting looking. I believe it's 43 millimeter. So that strap. Very interesting watch. This is an automatic. They offer an automatic and quartz. I wanted to check out the automatic version since I had a quartz Victorinox on a while ago. Interesting leather strap here. Kind of reminds me of a beaver tail for some reason. Genuine leather strap. Maybe it's kind of looks like wood or something. Very interesting. Set this box off to the side over there. Okay, so it is a unidirectional bezel. The bevel here on the bezel is interesting. I've never seen that before, so kind of an interesting design detail. I don't know what this bezel insert is. It kind of feels like it could be plastic. Can you see the graduations on that bezel? I don't know what that is for. Let me orientate this. I guess maybe that's just 0 to 20. Yeah, okay. So it's a die bezel. It's just a little bit different than what I'm used to. There we go. Let's get this thing wound up. So it is a screw down crown. I don't know what movement is in here. I'm assuming it's a Swiss movement since it's a Swiss company. Okay, so I'm going through the date. Pull all the way out. That's time set. Not very often I see a watch that's kind of different and I don't exactly know what's going on with it. So I'm zooming in to see what is... Oh, so that's just military time. Yeah, okay, so that inner circle is military time then. Interesting. Nice if my camera would focus a little better. There we go. Then we have the date window down there at 6 o'clock. And yes, you can see that it is Swiss made. So I wanted to wind it. There we go. It's come to life. The second hand is now moving. We'll try and read it through the screen here. Can't quite read it with my eyeballs. From the makers of the original Swiss Army knife. Well, they really like to advertise that. Established 1884. You can see Victorinox Swiss Army. 26 jewel Swiss made, so I'd have to guess that would be a Solita SW200. Don't know for sure, but I will try and figure that out. Oh, just noticed here that is a 21mm strap width. A little screwy. I'd like to see 20 or 22. Well, I guess it's not the end of the world. And I do have a nice little deployant clasp here. So, okay, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. There's the MSRP for it, $9.95. Not sure what Saltzman's is selling it for, but I will leave a link to their website in the description below. Let me zoom back out, get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. It took a little bit more time trying to figure the watch out. Let's see, do I have... Yes, I do have my SKX. Let's just get an idea of the size of this thing. I thought I had straightened this out. How did I mess that up? There we go. 1 through 20. 50 over there, 40. So yeah, just, you know, pretty interesting. So there it is compared to my SKX. Yeah, it's definitely a big watch here. Going to be a bit big for my wrist, but that's okay. Let's put it on wrist. Very interesting strap here. So, like I said, I believe this is a 43, so we'll say this is a 43mm watch on my 6.5-inch wrist. Probably a little bit big, but that's okay. I do like how this comes straight across here, so you don't see a typical strap gap like you see on this here. Move my fingers, then you can see what I'm talking about with the gap between the strap and the case. You don't get that because it's straight across between the lugs here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.